Okay, just a quick little video on how I record my art videos. So I'm recording on my cell phone because my cameras are set up. But basically, I draw on this table. I have a Godox light hooked up to a softbox with a grid on it. The grid keeps the light from spilling everywhere. Usually I have to clear out my plants and rearrange my room to do this, but basically I have a couple of three tripods. This is on a tripod. The light's on the tripod. My recording camera is on a tripod. And my second angle is on a tripod. So you can see I have it kind of like an over the shoulder view. And then this one is a straight down shot. So you may be wondering about a few things. First is all of these wires. There's a ton of them. Well, for each camera, I have an HDMI to the full HDMI kind of adapter. It's going into an HDMI cable, which runs down and up to my desk and into my ATEM Mini. And then I also have a second cable coming out of both the cameras, and it's here and here. And these are just the dummy batteries coming out of each camera. So the dummy batteries are coming out and they're plugged into the wall there. Okay, so I have power, constant power for both cameras, HDMI running from my cameras over to the ATEM Mini. In the ATEM Mini, I have hooked up to OBS. So you can see Blackmagic ATEM. Now what's cool about this is I have multiple cameras, and with the ATEM, I can hit camera 1 for one angle, or I can hit camera 2 for my second angle. So let me do that again. Okay. Camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, camera 2, camera 1. So I record on my PC. And what I do is, as I'm sitting here drawing, I sit right in the middle, try not to hit anything, and I have my iPad hooked up to the ATEM with the third-party app, and I can hit camera 1, camera 2. I'm going to just press the button on my iPad, camera 2, and you can see on the ATEM how the light changes, if you can see the red light. Camera 1, camera 2. And this is really helpful so that as I'm recording, I can just change my angle really easily. So that is basically how I record my videos. Quick and easy. That's it.